What's up, family? We back on this small account. We looking at it, all right? Now, Bitcoin is hanging out at about 50,000 or so. If you look at, let's see, Clean Spark. See, Clean Spark is down, y'all. So let me show y'all something real quick. Clean Spark is down. Like I told y'all, it was going to come down and try to fill that gap. Now, we sold out at 1837 at the high, right? It touched 19 something, but we sold out at 1837, took that, so now it's down at 16. It's gonna give us another opportunity to buy again, right? Bitcoin bleeding off. I want to show y'all something that I bought. I had NVIDIA, but I went in and bought this SMH, right, at $160. Average cost, it's at $214. I'm up 32% on it. This is how we play, family. We made 50-some bucks off of that, just invested in that. And then it's going to throw us a dividend, and I'm going to show y'all what it got. Top 10 holdings. It got NVIDIA, Taiwan, Broadcom, AMD, ASML, Applied Materials, Lam Research, Intel, Qualcomm, Analog Devices, right? The expense ratio is 0.35, and the P ratio is 43, right? The high is 213. And we right up there right now. And the low, 52-week low on it is 116, right? So if we can catch it coming back down 160 or so, we can get it. And then SMH throwing a dividend of $1, right? So you see that, all right? And then, we got the VOO, the Apple, the Capital Southwest. And I want to go and get some more Apple in this portfolio, because Apple, once it starts to show weakness, we're going to start to buy. We got about $400-some of buying power. We got XLM in here, and we got a little Bitcoin. I just keep a little Bitcoin in here to watch it, and I send Bitcoin to my daughter's account, to my son's account, from here, and we stay up on Bitcoin. We try to, right? We try to buy low, and we don't sell. We just send it to the kids, right? But that's the small portfolio. That's the update. And this charge point, this the last one. I bought 100 shares of this the other day, and it's down a little bit. It's down 3%, $6. So we got 100 shares of this. We watching this, right? But it might give us another chance to buy, or you might have an opportunity to buy if you haven't bought it already, right? You can buy it lower than I bought it, right? So just pay attention to this one, because this one's going to be coming back soon as the EVs take off. This will do the same. But we want to get in low, family, and ride it to the high. So y'all stay tuned, stay on me. Check out any of the links in the description. Check out my books, and if you need your taxes done, send me an email. Get at me on Facebook. Connect with me. Let's link. Love y'all. Peace.